Good morning everyone, my name is Alexa, and for today's topic in Group 8 would be United States of America, Criminologies and Criminal Justice, Salary and Career Information. So what exactly do you mean by the title or the topic? Because it says there that earning is crucial, especially when you're taking criminal justice jobs, and it's better to know how much you can make or how much you expect to make in working in those fields. So the first one would be crime analysis. So crime analysis provides intelligence gathering and statistical analysis services to law enforcement agencies. They detect trends and identify emerging issues that may require police attention or intervention. And the next one is criminologies. Like crime analysis, criminologists study data and trends. Unlike crime analysis, criminologists apply their knowledge to learning how crime affects society. Correction officers work in jails, prison, and other correctional facilities and guard prisoners. They serve to protect the inmates they guard from each other, as well as protecting the public from the inmates.
Detectives and criminal investigators. Detectives, criminal investigators are law enforcement officers who specialize in solving crimes. They are carefully study the details of case, gather of clues, collect evidence, and interview people involved to find out committed.
Forensic science technicians must have a background in the natural science and also use respect for, knowledge of, and interest in the criminal justice system. Forensic science technicians provide vital support to investigators in solving all sorts of crime.
6. Forensic psychologists, $57,000 to $80,000. Forensic psychologists apply psychology to the legal and criminal justice system. They assist the mental condition of offenders, help determine if someone is fit to stand trial, and give expert testimony in court. They may also work with lawyers or law enforcement as profilers to succeed. They usually need advanced degrees in psychology or criminology. Example, a forensic psychologist might evaluate a suspect to see if they understood their action during a crime. 7. Loss prevention specialists, 11 to 16 per hour. Loss prevention specialists work in retail stores to prevent theft and protect company property. They monitor cameras, check suspicious activity, and ensure store safety. This is an entry-level job that only lead to higher roles like loss prevention manager or police officer. Example, a loss prevention specialist may catch shoplifters or investigate employee theft. Police officers, $31,000 to $50,000. Police officers maintain peace, enforce laws, and protect the public. They patrol neighborhoods, respond to emergencies, investigate crimes, and arrest offenders. It's a key law enforcement role with opportunities for promotion to detective or special agent. Example, a police officer may respond to a robbery, investigate the scene, and arrest the suspects. Polygraph examiners, $56,000 average. Polygraph examiners conduct lie detector tests to assess truthfulness during investigations. They use special equipment to measure physical responses while a person answers questions. They work in law enforcement or private investigations. Example, a polygraph examiner might test a suspect during a criminal investigation to verify their statements.
Good day everyone, my name is Dexter A. Ubaob and my topic is Probation and Community Control Officer. A probation and community control officer is someone who supervises people who have broken the law but are not sent to jail. Instead, these people are allowed to stay in the community under rules given by the court. The officer's job is to make sure the person follow the rules, help them change their behavior, protect the community by monitoring the person, and the care responsibilities is check if the person is going to school or work, do drug or alcohol testing, visit their home or workplace, write reports for the court, and help them attend counseling or community program. Sample, si Oscar, usa ka estudyante, 22 years old niya, nasakpan siya nga gadrive nga hubog. Imbis nga prisohon, gihatag siya og usa ka tuig community control. Anya ang buhaton sa community control officer, si Oscar gipailawom sa house arrest. Pwede ra siya mogawas para eskwela sa counseling. Anya naa siya GPS ang call monitor nga gisulob aron ma-track siya. Ang officer magbisita og kalit sa ilang balay aron masiguro nga naa siya sa balay. Kinahanglan maapil siya sa alcohol education class nga gipa-aprobahan sa korte. Gimonitor sa officer ang iyang attendance sa school ug ang batasan niya. Kung dili siya mutambong sa counseling o mutangtang sa GPS monitor, maghimo ang officer og report. Unya, kung magsige siya supak, pwede siya ipapreso sa korte. Mao na ang example sa probation and community control officer. Mao ra na akong report. Thank you. So let's move to special agent. Special agent is a professional law enforcement officer who works for the government agency like the FBI, DAI, Secret Service, or more to investigate serious crime. Then, they do things like investigate crime like drugs, terrorism, cybercrime, and more on. Collect evidence, go undercover, arrest criminal, work on national or international cases. They are not regular police officer. They often handle more dangerous and complex investigation. Example, si Agent Oscar is a special agent for the DAI o Drug Enforcement Administration. Ang iyang case naay sindikato nga nagmaligya og illegal nga droga sa dagang lugar. Gisundan ni Agent Oscar ang lihok sa grupo. Unya gitan-aw ang ilang komunikasyon in legal na pamaagi og nagkuha og ebidensya. Niapil siya og undercover operation aron masakpan sila. Human makatigom og igong ebidensya, gidakop ang mga miyembro sa sindikato og may testigo siya sa korte. Mao ra na ang pasabot sa special agent. Thank you. Hey everyone, my name is Dexter A. Ubaob and my topic is Local and State Police Department. A local police department is a law enforcement agency that works in the city, town, or municipality. Their job is to keep the local community safe, respond to emergency calls, investigate crime, and enforce local laws. And the state police department work across on the entire state. They usually handles crime or traffic accident on highway, or help local police with a major investigation. And example sa local police department is New York Police Department. Works only in New York City. Another example is Los Angeles Police Department. Works only in the Los Angeles. And example of state police department is Texas Department of Public Safety. Another example of state police department is California Highway Patrol or Handle Traffic and Crime on California Highway. And that's all. That's all about of local and state police department. Thank you. So let's move to Federal Law Enforcement Agency. Federal Law Enforcement Agency are government police that work in the whole country. They investigate big and serious crime like terrorism, drugs, cybercrime, and kidnapping. Example of federal agencies is FBI or Federal Bureau of Investigation and DAI or Drug Enforcement Administration. Last example is DHS or Department of Homeland Security. And that's all about of Federal Law Enforcement Agency. Thank you.
Court system. The court system interprets and applies the law, ensuring justice is served. It settles disputes, determines guilt or innocence, and protects individual rights. So, example, the Supreme Court of the Philippines is the highest court in the country. It reviews cases from lower court, ensures the laws, and applies the fairly and according to the Constitution. So another example, regional trial courts RTC handle serious criminal and civil cases. Municipal trial court MTC handle minor offense and local disputes. Court of Appeals review decisions made by lower courts. Rehabilitation and Correctional Center. These are facilities where convicted offenders serve their sentences and receive rehabilitation program to help them reform and reintegrate into societies. So example, the New Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa City is one of the main correctional facilities in the Philippines, where convicted offenders serve their sentences. So another example, Correctional Institution for Women CIW for female inmates. Davao Prison and Final Form provides the both confinement and rehabilitation programs. Forensic laboratories. Forensic laboratories are specialized facilities where scientific methods are used to analyze evidence, collect from crime scenes. Experts in these labs examine physical evidence such as fingerprints, blood samples, DNA, weapons, and other materials to help identify suspects, determine cause of death, of verify facts and criminal case. So example, the Philippine National Police PNP Crime Laboratory is an example of a forensic laboratory. It conducts DNA testing, ballistic examination, and fingerprint analysis to help solve crimes and support court investigation. Social welfare organization are groups or agents and the aim to improve the well-being and quality of life individuals, families, and communities, especially those who are for disadvantaged or vulnerable. They provide support services such as food assistance, housing, healthcare, education, and counseling. These organizations may be run by government, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, or private charities. So example, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, in the Philippines help people increases through programs like Pantawid Pamilya Filipino Program, Poor Peace, Disaster Relief, and Assistance to Children, the Elderly, and First Person with Disabilities.